Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove estimated taxes from your Shopify checkout. This can be helpful if you want to simplify the checkout process or handle taxes in a different way. Let's walk through the steps to make this adjustment. In your Shopify dashboard, we will go to Products. Click on Products in the left menu. Then, click on the product you want to edit. Next, scroll down to the pricing section. You will see an option to charge taxes. We need to uncheck or remove that option. Once that's done, click Save. Now we need to update a few more settings. Go to Settings in the lower left of the dashboard. From there, click on Taxes and Duties. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Make sure to uncheck all the options so no taxes are applied. After that, go back to the main menu and click on Online Store. In the Online Store section, click the three dots next to your active theme. Select Edit Default Theme Content. From here, we will search for the word tax. You can replace the text. For example, type free shipping instead. When you are done, click Save. And that's how we remove estimated taxes from your Shopify store.